Toddler.
Hi, little farmers! I'm Farmer Fiona. Today we'll explore the world of our farm. Come on, let's start the ride. Let's go. Wait, what's that? Oh, I hear something. I think it's a...
Moo.
Do you know who this could be? This animal eats grass and gives milk. You guessed it right! It's a cow! Moo! Hold on tight. We're going on a fun ride. Oh, what's that over there? Let's see. Eggs and grains. Who could this be? Yay! It's a hen! You guessed it right, little farmers. Bye-bye, hen. Oh, what's that? I think it's wool. Which animal makes ba sound and gives wool? Yes! It's a sheep! Good going, little farmers! Let's go and explore more of our farm. Wow, that's interesting. Who lives here? Did you hear that? Who could it be? Someone big and strong. A horse! Yay! Woohoo! Nay! Let's go for a ride! Wait, who's here? Who could be making that sound, friends? Someone who loves mud and yummy food like this? Can you guess who's hiding here? Yay! It's a pig! Look how cute it is! Wow! A pond! Funny little footprints.
Quack, quack.
Huh. Who lives here? Listen carefully.
Quack.
Quack, quack. Yay! You are right! It's a duck with its ducklings. What's over here? Did you hear that, little farmers? Listen carefully. I see hay, some fresh green leaves. It's a goat! Yay! Hello, little goat. You are so happy and cute. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun with